Ready to step into the future? Let's break down exactly how to get your hands on the revolutionary Apple Vision Pro. First things first, pre-orders. Apple will initiate pre-orders for the Vision Pro through Apple.com and the Apple Store apps, so keep your eyes peeled for the official announcement, as availability can be limited at launch. Leading up to pre-orders, familiarize yourself with the Apple Store app. Make sure your Apple ID is up to date, your payment information is verified, and your shipping address is accurate to speed up the process when pre-orders go live. Now, let's talk pricing. The Apple Vision Pro starts at $3,499. Keep in mind that that's just the base price. Any additional storage or accessories will add to the final cost. When pre-ordering, you'll be able to customize your Vision Pro with different storage options to fit your needs. Consider how much space you'll need for apps, videos, and immersive experiences. Apple will guide you through a precise fitting process to ensure optimal comfort and visual fidelity. When you pre-order, you might even use your iPhone's Face ID to determine the best sizes for the light seal and headbands. Explore potential financing options or trade-in programs offered by Apple to mitigate the upfront costs. Check the Apple website or connect with an Apple Store representative for more details. Once you've navigated the pre-order process, customize your Vision Pro, and secured your purchase, all that's left to do is wait for its arrival. Stay tuned to Apple's official channels for launch date confirmations and further updates. Now you're equipped to dive into the spatial computing era.